For Americans under the age of 35, understanding the financial landscape is crucial for making informed decisions about money management and future planning. Examining both average and median figures for savings and net worth provides valuable insight into the typical financial situation faced by this age group. While average numbers can be skewed by a small number of high earners, median values offer a clearer picture of what most individuals actually experience. Recognizing these differences helps to set realistic expectations and goals, and highlights the importance of building healthy financial habits early on. When examining financial data like net worth, it's important to understand the difference between average and median figures. The average net worth is calculated by adding up everyone's net worth and dividing by the number of people, which can be skewed by a small number of individuals with very high wealth. In contrast, the median net worth represents the middle value, where half of people have more and half have less. This makes the median a more accurate reflection of the typical person's financial situation, as it is less affected by extreme outliers. By focusing on the median, we gain a clearer picture of what most people actually experience financially. According to the latest data from the Federal Reserve, individuals under the age of 35 have a median net worth of $39,000. In contrast, the average net worth for this group is significantly higher at $183,500. This large gap between the median and the average highlights the influence of a small number of individuals with substantial assets. The median value offers a clearer picture of what most young adults actually possess, as it is less affected by extreme outliers. These figures provide important context for understanding the financial landscape faced by Americans under 35. When examining savings balances for individuals under 35, the numbers reveal a significant disparity. The median savings balance is $5,400, while the average soars to $62,410. This large gap highlights the influence of a small number of people with very high savings, which skews the average upward. As a result, the median provides a more accurate picture of what most people in this age group actually have saved. These figures underscore the importance of looking beyond averages to understand typical financial situations. For individuals under 35, the median retirement savings amount stands at $18,880, while the average is notably higher at $49,130. This gap highlights that a small number of people have accumulated much larger balances, which raises the average. Most young adults are just beginning to build their retirement funds, and many have yet to save significant amounts. These figures suggest that while some are on track, many may need to increase their savings to ensure long-term financial security. Starting early and contributing consistently can make a substantial difference in future retirement readiness. Several key factors influence net worth and savings among individuals under 35, including income, education, and homeownership. Higher income levels typically allow for greater savings and investment opportunities, leading to increased net worth. Education also plays a significant role, as those with advanced degrees often have access to better-paying jobs and more financial resources. Homeownership can further boost net worth, since owning property adds to an individual's assets. These factors contribute to noticeable disparities within the age group, with some accumulating substantial wealth while others face more modest financial circumstances. Comparing your savings and net worth to national averages and medians can offer valuable insights into your financial progress. While the average figures may appear high, they are often influenced by a small number of individuals with substantial assets. The median values, on the other hand, provide a more accurate reflection of where most people stand financially. By understanding these benchmarks, you can better assess your own financial health and identify areas for improvement. Ultimately, these comparisons can help you set realistic goals and track your progress over time. In summary, understanding the financial health of Americans under 35 requires looking beyond averages to focus on median figures. Medians offer a clearer picture of what is typical, since they are less affected by outliers with exceptionally high savings or net worth. This approach reveals that most young adults have more modest financial resources than averages might suggest. By using median values, individuals can better assess where they stand and set realistic financial goals based on the experiences of their peers.